Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore Bitrix24 start page, the vibe. And by the end, you will have all the insights you need to configure and publish the start page for the new employees or the existing one in your company. So let's begin. Introducing a new tool, start page, the vibe. This is the first page users see when they log into your Bitrix24. Here, you can gather useful information and set up quick access to various tools. Everything important is in one place, so there's no need to open the main menu. The start page helps new employee learn about the company and get started quickly. On this start page, users can watch company activities, read, feed posts, track birthdays, and monitor employee activity. Also, it has different types of access for various tools like knowledge base articles, start workflows, and download Bitrix24 Messenger and mobile app. So this is the start page of our company that we have configured with the customized template. So here we will get the summary of the company, employee activity, feed post, again employee activity in different visuals, birthdays and all these things. Here you can quickly scan the QR code and download the mobile app as well as the desktop app that we have of Bitrix24. Here in this start you can edit, customize and custom made the template of whatever you want regarding to your company. So here you can edit the predefined template, you can add widget, you have got different options available here like move widget up and down, height adjustment and all these things. So whatever you want regarding your company, you can add the widget from here. Here you have got different types of options available like company life, new employees, knowledge bases, teams, automation, the technical part like workflows and all these things, HR related activities, transition and separators for better visuals, text, image, video. You can add all of it. So it is basically the start page when the new employee, for example, joined your company. So from this page, you will get all the idea of how he will get all the idea of how the company operates and what all things are present in here. So we have configured this. You can track the employee activity of like all employees are using Bitrix24 to the maximum capacity. Upcoming birthdays of the employees, workflows that are predefined, new employees enrolled, knowledge bases, and all these things. So this is all about the Bitrix24 start page vibe, which we have covered in this video. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.